Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookie consent to Shopify. So, first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in a new tab, head over to apps.shopify.com and in the search bar, type in cookie yes, then press enter. Next is click on cookie yes GDPR cookie banner and install the app. So once again, just click on install. So from here, all you have to do is go through the quick setup. Just customize how the cookie will appear on your website. First is by choosing the language, banner type, if it's box style banner or full width banner, and color theme. Then proceed to the next step. So of course, you can always get more features by choosing a plan. But you can always proceed with free, but with only limited features. So we're just going to continue for free. So here are the steps in installing the cookie banner on your website. First is enabling app embed. So just follow through this button and you will be redirected to your website's editor page. So make sure that you toggle cookie yes on, and this is now how the banner looks like. And from here, we're just going to save changes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!